Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Webull app for beginners. Webull is a popular mobile trading app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, first download and install the Webull app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to fund your account with money to start trading. You can do this by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. After funding your account, you can start exploring the app's features. The home screen displays a list of popular stocks, news, and market trends. You can use the search bar to find specific stocks or browse through different categories such as technology, healthcare, or finance. To place a trade, tap on the stock you want to buy or sell and then select the trade button. You can choose from different types of orders such as market, limit, or stop limit. A market order executes immediately at the current market price, while a limit order executes at a specific price you set. Webull also offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get familiar with the app and test your trading strategies without risking real money. In addition to trading, Webull offers a range of tools and features to help you make informed investment decisions. These include real-time market data, stock charts, and news feeds. You can also set up custom alerts and notifications to stay on top of market movements. To stay safe while using the app, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your account information up to date. It's also important to educate yourself on investing and trading before risking real money. In conclusion, Webull is a powerful and user-friendly app that can help you navigate the world of trading and investing. By following these steps and practicing responsible trading habits, you can make the most out of the app and achieve your financial goals.